Welcome to the demo for Konector. My name is Mustafa and I'm with Cyber. If you go to Konector.ai and then log in, you will see a dashboard like this, which will basically tell you the total number of projects, how much money you have spent using any of the closed LLM. And then if you go to the project sections, you will see all the different projects. If you go to the tuning studio, you will see you can do prompt tuning if your responses are not right. For the playground, I mean, you can try different LLMs, and we have a lot of LLMs which we support, so you can try that. And then the data sources, like you can connect to any of the enterprise data sources which you have, and we have a lot of choices out here: Databricks, Snowflake, Google Cloud Storage, AWS S3, and so on and so forth. And also, if you want, if you go to labs, you can try out the different pre-made demos which we have available. So if you want to see demo with PDF files, you can do that. If you want to see demo with Microsoft Excel, you can see that. If you have a lot of APIs and you want to in real time call the APIs and see the responses, you can see that. If you have lake houses or data warehouse, how you can use natural language to ask any question and the data comes back from the data warehouse. So you can see all that, and plus we have a lot of industry specific demos also. Let's see a few of them. So in this demo, what I have done, that I have a file, and I am basically, what I'm doing, I am uploading the file to my vector DB, and then I am asking a question, and it will basically reply me back with the answer. So I will go back to my demo again, and I'm asking a question and this is the document which we are using. It's basically a document with all the company retirement plan, etc. So instead of somebody go through this document, they can just quickly go to the ChatGPT sort of an application and ask the question in pure language: what percentage is contributed by my company in my 401k plan? If I submit it, it will basically get me the answer. So that is one of, so you can see that within 5 seconds the answer came back. And you also have a feedback mechanism by which you can tell that if the question was right or not, and if it is not right, then you can do the monitoring and then see how to fix this by prompt tuning. Now the second demo, what I will do, I know that every company has big Microsoft Excel files, right? So in this demo, I'm showing you that you have a very large Excel file with all the segments, the countries, the product, and their sales. So I'm asking a question: what is the average of sale unit? So as soon as I submit this question, you will see the result come back. So the average sale unit is about 1600. So we saw how the LLM works with unstructured data, structured data, now API calls. A lot of the enterprise have data behind APIs, right? So if I am asking a question, real time the system knows that which API to call to get the answer to that particular question. It will call that API, get the data, and that particular data will be showed out here. So now I am currently asking a question to ServiceNow. A lot of companies use ServiceNow for their IT ticket management system. So I'm asking how many tickets are currently open, and if I ask that question, it will find the right API, and it will call that API, get the response, and it is telling me right now that there are currently 7,000 open tickets. Finally, I will show you how the databases works. So here is a relational database. In this database, I have customers have orders have order details, which by products. Now if I want to ask a question to the database. Currently, a lot of people create a lot of reports in Power BI and other tools, but instead of doing that, you can just have an NLP sort of a search that gives me the revenue for each year. And once I submit that report, that question, it will talk to the database. It will generate the right SQL. It is showing me the right result back. These are some of the demos. I can also, there is another demo which we have. This is for the insurance app. So a lot of insurance company gets a lot of detailed emails about new claims. So out here I am uploading a quick email. If I can find that file, I can just download that file out here, and then once this is the email which I have, and so our application is like analyzing this email, and it will extract the right data which the person needs to do this claim fulfillment. So it is analyzing the document, and you will see shortly that all of the key informations which we need from this will be showed shortly. So it takes like so you can see it detected that this is an email. This is an email about the claim status update. It figured out that the person name, what type of insurance he has, demanded amount, when was the date of loss, and so on and so forth. The last demo which I want to show you is about the retail customer overview. So if you want to know that what type of, so I can go to Amazon, and I can type a review out here, and it will tell me if this review was a good review or a bad review. So you can also try it yourself. Going back, if you want to create so please go to our website Konector.ai, and you can sign up for a free account, and then you can make a custom LLM app for your company in minutes. We have senior data scientists to help you who are master in this field, and please, and I mean we are also offering a free proof of concept, so please try this out. Thank you so much.